Hello, Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. Quick video for Gael, Mercedes 600 SL. So, okay Gael, I got the smoke machine connected right now. You can see the pressure is pretty high. Okay, let's put it back on. So we see pressure is pretty high, so that's good. And so far, I can tell that the vacuum pipe, that is the usual suspect that lays underneath here, seem to be intact. We still want to change it anyway when you remove the motor. EGR valves always leak some vacuum, that's normal. As you can see down under, you're gonna see a little bit of a vacuum of the smoke. You see there? They all leak for some reason. You have to activate them to close them down all the way. Therefore, I mean, I don't apply vacuum, but that's okay. My major goal was to see where do we have major leaks. Usually major leaks come out around from here, which is clean. A little bit from the front sometimes right there. It's also clean. In the back here where the pipe splits into two, and under in the middle in this area, and that's where pipe enters into that little chamber. Not the chamber, like there's like a bigger pipe and two smaller pipes. So when they go into this intermediate piece, so far as you can see, I don't see crazy vacuum leak. No, not really much smoke. I do see a little smoke down under there. I don't know if you can catch it on the camera in between covers. So there's a little bit of smoke in there, as you can see here. Now some of it is coming from EGR valve, and some of it is coming somewhere from under the cover, so I cannot see where it's coming from exactly. My suspicion is the vacuum reservoir or our PVC system, not PVC system, but gas tank fumes charcoal filter evap system. So as you can see, it's coming out there. So that's not too significant. It's just that I wanted to make this case as clean as I could, because you saw how the car runs when it's warm, so it's good. When it's cold, it has to be, you know, it has to be fixed. My prediction in here is that because we have these sensor wires completely bare, most likely it is because of these sensor wires. They're pretty bad right there. They're completely bare. They're touching for sure. So especially, and another thing is when I move the wiring harness at the junction point in the back there, the engine also starts misfiring, so some bad connection is also somewhere in the main connector. So somewhere there is bad connection. You know, this is just all kind of sloppy job. So something there is disconnecting. Another vacuum leak was found in HVAC main supply line. That is always there because this little vacuum manifold breaks. This little vacuum manifold for HVAC system breaks down in there, down under bottom. This is where check ball is, and it just splits. That's not super significant also. So the wires have to be done first. Then when all the wires are in good shape, then the car has to be readapted. You know, run adaptations on the engine, so it adapts to idle speed and part load, full load adaptations. And so far as you can see, not significant vacuum leak. So I'll try to start the car now. I put in your computer in here now, but I'll swap it out for mine. This is your e-gas, so I'll put in mine again and start the car and see how it runs with HVAC system plugged up. This is HVAC system vacuum supply line. As you can see, it's open. It also must be closed on both ends because the PSC pump will start running. I'll continue run and burn out. So far so good. Okay, so this is basically all, real quick one because I gotta get moving. So for now, this is the vacuum, this is the smoke test. Alright, thank you for watching. This is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com.